Tip 94. Time is money.
Dialogue. I've already bought some tools.
Great. Remember to keep them organized to avoid wasting time looking for them. As Benjamin Franklin said, time is money.
The problem is that I can't spend more money buying organizers.
No problem. You can create and maintain a highly efficient place to keep your tools for easy access, without having to spend too much money.
How?
Some nails on the wall would be enough. And ever remember to put them back, on their place, after each use.
Perfect. Next month I'll buy some drawers, at least for some special tools.
Okay. Let me know if you need any additional help. Exercise. Answer. Why is important maintaining the tools ever organized?
To avoid spend time looking for them.
Can I have the tools for easy access without spending too much on it?
Yes, you can.
What did Benjamin Franklin say?
Time is money.
What is the less expensive way to have tools close at hand?
Some nails on the wall would be enough.
What should be done after each use?
To put them back on their place.
Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.